the Laidley District Historical Society in a quiet end of Laidley. With a picturesque place to stay. It is a long way from the shops. The lagoon is quite pretty, with ducks. There's picnic tables all the way along, and there's a walking bridge that you can walk over to the other side where there's more playgrounds and things for the children to do. The parking area here is limited. There is a sign that says no vehicles beyond this point, but there is enough space, as you can probably see, for quite a few RVs to come and park and have a safe couple of days here. There is actually, on the other side of the road, there is also some more RV parking, so we'll go and check that out next. Okay, sorry for the engine noise. That's my car in the background. The dog's in the car, so I got the aircon going. My lovely Cara that will be coming on all of my adventures solo with me. So this side of the road is a bit shadier. There is less parking space, and probably the lagoon is more overgrown on this side, but it is right opposite the opening of the Pioneer Historical Village. So if you're looking for something to do while you're here, the village is open. Hi, this is Sandy from Solo Travel Adventures Australia. I hope you like this video. If you'd like to see more, please click the like button and the subscribe button so I can keep you up to date with all our future videos. Thank you for watching.